Alright, this is going to be my final video on this helmet. Um, I know I made several videos just kind of aging it and just kind of, I guess, talking about it, but this is just going to be my final video. Um, I'm just going to be going over the few things I've added, and I honestly feel like it's just kind of a better helmet to show off now. But I added an original chin strap. The previous chin strap was actually a repro, and something I've learned is that a lot of original chin straps lean to the left side rather than the right side. And I've noticed that a lot of reproductions are kind of backwards, I suppose. I've also heard that black buckles are actually post-war, so I guess if you're going for a Korean War impression, that'd be a little bit more better. But for what I've known is that they're usually leaning to the left side, and they're either an OD green color or a gray color. OD is actually the early war variant, but I've kind of had this chin strap hanging around for a while, so I figured the only thing stopping me from putting it on the helmet was that it was super fragile, and so I just added Herbert's grease, the stuff that I showed off on my boondockers. Actually, shout out to the Dapper Otter. That dude really helped me out with my boondockers. He's a real smart dude. But that was kind of random. But anyways, that's just kind of what I've learned about these leather chin straps. Another thing that I learned is that these, I guess, just canvas chin straps. The early war variants actually have a brass buckle, while the later war variants actually have a metal buckle. So kind of keep an eye out on that. And then the final thing is just a bit of an update showing off the liner. I actually put a sweatband. This was actually the sweatband used from that previous helmet that was just super crusty. I went ahead and restored it. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. There you go. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I just used that Herbert's shoe grease to really soften it up. And I'm overall really happy with it. I also painted the, I guess, rivets. I suppose that's what they're called. The stuff that holds all the webbing together. But, yeah, guys, just a simple video. My camera's running out of storage, but, yeah, I'll catch you guys later.